What's the biggest wellness trend sweeping across America right now? It's not the latest diet, it's not a new fitness craze, it's yoga and meditation. From Wall Street executives to Silicon Valley tech billionaires, from Hollywood celebrities to everyday Americans, everyone is rolling out their yoga mats. And the numbers? They're mind-blowing. Today, we're diving deep into why yoga and meditation have become America's obsession, and why this ancient Eastern practice is now a multi-billion-dollar industry. Now, here's the interesting part. Yoga in America isn't one size fits all. Different types are trending in different communities. 1. Power yoga. Think of it as yoga meets CrossFit. High intensity, sweat-inducing, and perfect for fitness enthusiasts. You'll find packed classes in every major American city. 2. Hot yoga, Bikram yoga. 110 degrees of pure intensity. It sounds brutal, and it is. But celebrities? They're absolutely obsessed. The detox claims keep people coming back. Simple answer: stress. Americans are burnt out. Corporate jobs, social media, 24/7 connectivity. It's taking a mental toll. People are searching for answers, and they found them in ancient Eastern wisdom. Then came COVID-19. Lockdowns forced everyone indoors. Gyms closed. So what did people do? They bought yoga mats and downloaded meditation apps by the millions. The result? A wellness revolution that hasn't slowed down since. Now, here's the interesting part. Yoga in America isn't one size fits all. Different types are trending in different communities. 1. Power yoga. Think of it as yoga meets CrossFit. High intensity, sweat-inducing, and perfect for fitness enthusiasts. You'll find packed classes in every major American city. 2. Hot yoga, Bikram yoga. 110 degrees of pure intensity. It sounds brutal, and it is. But celebrities? They're absolutely obsessed. The detox claims keep people coming back. 3. Vinyasa flow. Smooth, continuous movements that flow like dance. This is the Instagram-worthy yoga. Every TikTok creator and wellness influencer is posting their vinyasa flows. Hashtag 4. Mindfulness meditation. No fancy poses, just breathing, just sitting. Harvard and MIT are teaching this in their classrooms. Corporate America is implementing it in offices. 5. Transcendental meditation. Mantra-based practice. CEOs and billionaires swear by it. It's the meditation of choice for high achievers. 6. Zen Buddhist meditation. Buddhist temples across America are offering free classes and teachings. A spiritual practice now accessible to everyone. But the real story? The one going viral across social media right now? It's the lifestyle angle. Here's why yoga blew up in pop culture. Celebrity endorsement. Gal Gadot takes 6-day yoga retreats. Oprah has been meditating for over 20 years. She talks about it constantly. LeBron James spends an hour every single day on his yoga practice. Jennifer Aniston, Gwyneth Paltrow, Ryan Gosling. The list goes on. When Hollywood does something, America pays attention. The app revolution. Calm has over 100 million downloads. Headspace is everywhere. YouTube, TikTok, everywhere. Insight Timer is the free alternative that's disrupting the paid meditation app market. These apps have made meditation accessible from your phone. No studio membership needed, no commute, just you, your phone, and peace. Social media took over. Instagram became a yoga and meditation showcase. Sunrise yoga on the beach, sunset meditation in the mountains. Every yoga pose, every meditation milestone, it's content gold. TikTok shorts showing 5-minute yoga routines are racking up millions of views. YouTube's meditation channels are getting billions of hours watched. Now, Where are Americans actually doing this? Dedicated yoga studios. New York City alone has over 3,000 yoga studios. Los Angeles? Probably more. Every neighborhood in every major city has at least one studio. Some have 5 or 6 on the same block. Corporate wellness programs. Google has yoga studios in their offices. Apple offers employee yoga classes. Amazon invested heavily in meditation programs. Companies realize something. Healthy employees are productive employees. So they're paying for yoga and meditation instruction. Home practice. This is huge. Especially post-COVID. People invested in yoga mats, meditation cushions, and yoga apps for home practice. Outdoor classes. Free yoga in the park on summer mornings. Beach yoga at sunset. Hiking meditation retreats. Luxury retreats. Rishikesh-style retreats are popping up in California, Colorado, and Florida. Yoga and wellness resorts are a $2+ billion market. The business numbers. The yoga with just 5 or 10 minutes a day. Download a free app. Try a YouTube class. Find a local studio. Your future self will thank you. What's your experience with yoga or meditation? Drop a comment below. Tell us your story. And if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content on wellness, culture, and global trends. Thank you for watching. Namaste.